Hey there YouTube, Veganomics here. So, been a while since I made a video, and don't mind me, but I've got a little stuffy nose right now. My allergies are a little bit bad right now. But I wanted to share with you some ways that we're recycling water here. And just in the past couple days, I've actually really started this. So, take a look. So, this is the plumbing from our shower, and I've decided to put a bucket here to be able to reuse this gray water, okay, to pour out on our bananas or whatever else we need. Since we're on a shallow well here, we need to kind of conserve any water we can until May or June, when the rainy season really starts in full effect. So yeah, we were showering in a bucket in the shower and then dumping that water, but we've got lazy about it, so we were putting it into the toilet because it was a lot of work to haul a huge bucket full of water out of the house, pour it, bring it back in every time we showered. So we stopped doing that and just poured it down the toilet, which was kind of a waste. So now we, with the help of a neighbor, we rigged this plumbing to come from inside, and gravity fed tube into this bucket right here. That's not even the main thing though. For the past few months we've been going to do laundry at a laundromat because we don't have so much water in the dry season, so we want to try to conserve as much as we can, being on a shallow well. So what I just thought of was, why not do this? So now when we do laundry at home, we won't feel bad about it, because take a look at this. Before we had the main exit of the water going out into this, which would go underground and right into that section over there, which you could tell is a lot more green. But I figured, why not just take this out and rig it up to this to fall into here to then use this. I mean, it's just soapy water, it's gray water. And we could dilute it or not dilute it and just put it on our bananas or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna show you just here in a minute. Well, not in a minute, but when the water starts to come out, I'll show you. So it's pretty cool. All right, here we go. Holy cow, that's a lot of water. Maybe it's halfway full. That's a lot of water to be throwing down into the ground over there. So I'm glad we're actually recycling. It's gonna be like, that's like 30 gallons right now. Well, probably 20. Yeah, but before it would go down this and go out underground into that little area right over there, and that's why it's greener over there. What a waste though, right? Well, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Just thought I'd show you how I'm trying to conserve water, even if it is gray water. And this is for those late nights when you don't want to get out of bed. This is the last and final way to save water. So I have a trifecta. I have this, I have the shower water going outside, and finally the washer used gray water going out into the barrel. So really all that's left, if I were to like not completely, but 90% of what water I use if I wanted to recycle it, would be the kitchen sink and the bathroom sink. So maybe that's in the future. I don't know. I'd like to have and I'm sorry you're watching this. Just looking at a picture of a pee bottle. I'd like to eventually have a system where that water just goes and trickles out into like a what do they call it? Drip irrigation out onto some of the things. I gotta look at the percentages and stuff and look at, you know, maybe doing a test and seeing if some bananas can handle the amount of soap in the water, and if not, I'll have to dilute it. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. May your dates always be dank and may your bananas always be ripe. Peace.